Well, opponents call it Muslim Ban 3.0 and say it discriminates against Muslims. But President Donald Trump says a travel ban is necessary to keep the country safe. Today, a federal judge in Maryland heard arguments on both sides of the controversial policy. WJZ is live at BWI Airport. Amy Yency explains what happened during that hearing. Amy?
Well, there are 3 lawsuits here in Maryland challenging that travel ban, and they're trying to block the travel ban before it becomes law.
With just hours to go before the most recent travel ban becomes law, the stakes couldn't be higher. Round 3 playing out Monday in a Maryland court.
All we want is the opportunity to be a part of the American fabric.
The current version blocks travel entirely from Syria and North Korea. It restricts travel from Chad, Iran, Libya, Somalia, and Yemen, all Muslim-majority countries, as well as Venezuela. Critics say it's still a Muslim ban.
The orders themselves get longer and longer as increasing numbers of government lawyers attempt to hide their blatant discrimination in the language of national security.
President Trump said this after announcing it.
The tougher, the better.
The original ban sparked protests from coast to coast, including Baltimore. The new version faces federal lawsuits in several states, including 3 cases here in Maryland. The plaintiffs and attorneys say it's an attack on Muslims.
We have at least 2 students at the University of Maryland who are graduating this semester, and if this ban takes effect, their families won't be able to come. Their parents won't be attending their graduations.
They're urging the judge to block the ban before it takes effect on Wednesday.
There's nothing more clearly contrary to the Establishment Clause of the Constitution than saying that you can't come here because of your religion.
Now, this same judge blocked an earlier version of the ban. As for these cases, he says he'll rule at a later time, but did not specify when. Reporting from BWI, Amy Yency, WJZ. Back to you.
Amy, thank you. A report by the Departments of State and Homeland Security were used to come up with the list of affected countries. Government lawyers have yet to present the findings to the judge.